Did you know that more than 62% of engine-related complaints reported by U.S. drivers start with a knocking or pinging sound? What makes this sound dangerous is that it often appears long before a check engine light comes on. Consumer Reports estimates that ignoring engine knock increases the risk of total engine failure by over 65% within the next 12 months. In this video, we are going to uncover the 9 common causes of engine knock. Stick until the end, because the cause number 7 is the most common of knocking. Let's dive in. Reason 1. Using fuel with the wrong octane rating. Using the wrong octane fuel is one of the most common and underestimated causes of engine knocking in the United States. Modern engines, especially turbocharged and high compression designs, are built with high compression ratios to meet fuel economy and emission standards, and they require precise combustion timing. When low-octane fuel is used, it ignites too early under pressure, causing uncontrolled explosions known as detonation. The U.S. Department of Energy reports that nearly 30% of American drivers regularly use a lower octane than recommended to save money at the pump. Your engine may seem fine at first, but repeated detonation weakens pistons, damages rod bearings, and chips away at the cylinder walls. Over time, this leads to permanent loss of compression and power. Many engines that knock from incorrect fuel begin showing internal damage in as little as 15,000 to 25,000 miles. Reason 2. Carbon buildup inside the combustion chamber. Carbon buildup is one of the fastest growing causes of engine knock in newer vehicles, especially those with direct fuel injection. Unlike older engines, fuel no longer cleans the intake valves, allowing thick carbon deposits to form. These deposits increase compression and create hot spots that ignite fuel before the spark plug fires. Consumer Reports data shows that direct injection engines develop up to 60% more carbon buildup than port-injected engines by 70,000 miles. Knocking from carbon buildup often appears only under acceleration, tricking drivers into ignoring it. Over time, this buildup leads to misfires, overheating, and piston damage. Repairing severe carbon knock can cost $1,200 to $3,500, depending on the engine design. To fix the carbon buildup, use top-tier gasoline consistently, as it contains higher detergent levels. Perform periodic fuel system cleanings every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. For severe buildup, professional intake valve cleaning may be required. If left untreated, carbon buildup can shorten engine life by over 30%. Reason 3. Faulty or worn spark plugs. Spark plugs play a critical role in controlling combustion timing, and when they wear out or overheat, they can trigger engine knock. A damaged or incorrect heat-range spark plug can ignite the air-fuel mixture too early, causing pre-ignition rather than proper combustion. According to NGK and Bosch service data, nearly 1 in 4 vehicles on U.S. roads are running overdue spark plugs. The problem gets worse because worn plugs also force the engine control module to compensate by altering ignition timing, increasing stress on pistons and valves. Knocking caused by spark plugs often comes with rough idle, hesitation, and reduced power. To fix it, replace spark plugs at or before the manufacturer's recommended interval. Always use the exact plug type and heat range specified for your engine. Reason 4. Engine overheating and high operating temperatures. Heat is a major trigger for engine knock because high temperatures cause fuel to ignite too early. When an engine overheats, combustion becomes unstable and detonation becomes more frequent. AAA reports that cooling system failures cause over 500,000 vehicle breakdowns every year in the U.S. Low coolant levels, clogged radiators, failing water pumps, and stuck thermostats all are responsible for thousands of knock-related engine failures each year. Even brief overheating events can weaken piston crowns and warp cylinder heads. Knocking caused by heat often occurs during highway driving or towing, where damage accelerates rapidly. Continued driving under these conditions can destroy an engine in less than 30 minutes. To prevent your engine from overheating, check coolant levels regularly and flush the cooling system at recommended intervals. Replace thermostats proactively if the engine runs hot. Reason 5. Driving on low engine oil. When engine oil levels drop or oil loses its viscosity, internal components lose their protective barrier. This causes metal-to-metal contact between pistons, crankshaft bearings, and connecting rods. The resulting sound is often confused with detonation knock, but it is actually mechanical knock, which is a much more serious condition. The Bureau of Transportation Statistics reports that nearly 40% of U.S. drivers delay oil changes beyond recommended intervals. As oil breaks down, bearing clearances increase, leading to connecting rod knock and crankshaft damage. This type of knock is extremely serious and often irreversible. Engines with oil-related knock often fail completely within 2,000 to 5,000 miles if driven. Therefore, always verify oil level and condition. Use the correct viscosity oil, especially in high-mileage engines, and also shorten oil change intervals as the engine ages. If knock persists, stop driving and inspect bearings before catastrophic failure. Reason 6. Advanced ignition timing or sensor failure. Modern engines rely on knock sensors, oxygen sensors, and mass airflow sensors to maintain precise ignition timing. When any of these sensors fail or provide incorrect data, the engine may advance timing too aggressively, causing detonation. According to automotive diagnostic data, sensor failures contribute to over 20% of engine knock complaints in vehicles under 10 years old. The driver hears knocking, but the computer believes everything is normal. This allows detonation to continue unchecked. Over time, repeated knock fractures piston rings and damages cylinder walls. What makes this cause dangerous is that the engine may still idle smoothly, giving a false sense of safety. Many engines destroyed by detonation show no warning lights until catastrophic failure occurs. Reason 7. Lugging the engine and poor driving habits. Driver behavior plays a massive role in engine knocking, especially in modern automatic and turbocharged vehicles. Accelerating hard at low RPM in a high gear creates extreme cylinder pressure. Engineering studies show that lugging increases detonation risk by up to 45% compared to normal driving. This habit is common during highway passing or uphill driving. The knock may disappear when RPM increases, but internal damage continues. Repeated lugging weakens piston rings and connecting rods over time. Many engines that knock under load eventually lose compression permanently. This type of damage often appears long before 100,000 miles. Therefore, allow your engine to rev freely before heavy acceleration. Downshift when climbing hills or passing. Reason 8. Clogged or failing fuel injectors. Fuel injectors must deliver precise amounts of fuel at exact moments. When injectors clog, fuel spray becomes uneven, causing hot spots inside the cylinder. This uneven combustion is a major knock trigger. According to automotive service data, over 50% of injector-related issues appear after 75,000 miles. Knock from injectors often appears intermittently, making it hard to diagnose. The engine may feel underpowered or hesitate. Over time, the cylinder running lean suffers piston and valve damage. Ignoring injector knock frequently leads to misfires and catalytic converter failure. Therefore, perform injector cleaning every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. For severe cases, professional injector flow testing or replacement may be required. Reason 9. Incorrect engine modifications or tuning. Aftermarket modifications are a growing cause of engine knock in the U.S. Turbo upgrades, performance tunes, and intake modifications can push engines beyond safe limits. According to performance repair data, nearly 1 in 5 modified vehicles experience detonation issues. Aggressive ignition timing or boost levels create extreme cylinder pressure. Many drivers don't realize the tune is unsafe until knock appears. Even mild modifications can cause problems without proper fuel and timing adjustments. Knock from tuning errors can destroy pistons in minutes under heavy load. Therefore, revert to a conservative, professionally verified tune. Ensure fuel octane matches boost and timing levels. That's all for this video. Every knock is a sign that combustion or mechanical balance has already been compromised. Ignore it long enough, and your engine won't fail suddenly. It will fail expensively. If you want your engine to last 300,000 miles or more, understanding these causes is the first line of defense. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more engine-saving secrets. See you in the next video.